If it comes to PlayStation 2, this device has a special place in my heart. I really love this console nowadays. And I think we need to celebrate it because it's 20 years old now. Yes, I did see some posts on the internet realizing, wow man, damn I'm getting old. Nevertheless, today's video we are going to review the HDMI dongle from Kaico for your PlayStation 2. We're going to blast back to the past and we're going to play some PlayStation 2 with the HDMI connection. And let's see if this thing is the solution for us, because I want to know. Now we can finally play HDMI with your PlayStation 2. But before we going any further, let's do a wicked unboxing. And what are we going to get? So before we're going to do any chit-chatting about it, I need to point out they sent me this to review. But keep in mind, it doesn't influence my personal opinion. Just want to see it, because the wicked can be influenced. Alright, so here we have the box itself. It comes with a very nice manual. No people, no toilet paper manual today. So here we can see that it got some good explanations if you're having any problems. See, that is something a lot of these cheap other devices doesn't have. And that is so important. I've even made a video about it. If you're having a problem with the HDMI dongles in general, you need to go to the system configuration and choose the component video output. Yes, a lot of people forgetting or don't know it. So they did a very good job. Basic explanation, different languages. But here we have, for example, the instruction how it works. So if you have any problems, for first in your life, read the freaking manual, because this time is worth it. Alright, so here we have the cable itself. Try to get it out, let's see. Plastic. So what I really like about these Kaico adapters in general is that they got this very nice shell. They're having this really nice shell. I like it. So this part, you stick it in your PlayStation, you know, grab your system like this, you stick it in, and that's what you need to do. And here you have the HDMI. But what I did notice, and I read the manual, if you look at this, here we have this little switch that's more for the RGB signal. So if you're having any problems, read the manual, try to put this switch in a good position. Nevertheless, let's see where I have more. It comes with a micro USB cable, and the reason why that is very important. My friends, like the dongle from China, it needs an extra juice. So what you're going to need to do is very simple. Grab this cable, micro USB goes in here, and the other end, this goes in the front of your PlayStation 2 FAT. And if you don't have a USB port, you need to have a phone charger. Just saying it. If you don't do this, it doesn't work. And we're having a very long 4K HDMI cable. So very nice. A lot of great goodies. So let's grab ourselves a monitor. Let's grab ourselves stuff, because I want to see what is the image quality. What are we going to get? So before we're going to play... Yeah, I know, shut up. So before we are going to play a game, I just want to say, you know the little button on the dongle I was talking about? As you can see, if you move it around, you can see the colors are changing to the green. So if you're having problems with it, always check it. Alright, let's play. Just want to say it. You know what I'm going to say? We're gonna take it for a ride. Gonna take it for a ride. We're gonna take it for a ride. Oh crap, I chose the wrong character. Ah, whatever. Okay, let's see how it looks. I do see some interference in the screen itself over here. Ow! Stop freaking out! It's getting annoying now. Ice beam! Ice beam! Are you done? My turn. Just go down. Alright, so let's continue by Elgato with the Elgato and let's capture. So you have a better idea what you're going to get.
It's weirder than Let's get it on! You know, if you just like relax, losing will be a lot easier to take.
You're looking at a winner, baby. Just remember they call Mr. around here.
Yes!
My name is Goku, and I'm from Earth. Ready? Fight!
Caliber 3. Welcome to the new stage of history.
That's it!
I'll cut your heart out!
Versus Tira. Battle. Fight! Ring out. Battle. Fight!
Alright, so this was the review for the Kaico PlayStation 2 HDMI dongle. So keep in mind, first of all, the configuration of the software needs to be on the right settings, and you need to use the little switch here. So if everything is configured, it works like a charm, and it got a very nice image. Nevertheless, there are a lot of different options now out there nowadays. If you want to see more comparisons, you can always leave it in the comments if you want to have some more information or you have questions. But at the end, I like it. It's a very nice product, plug and play. Give your PlayStation 2 a second life after all those years. Play it on HDMI, it's pretty cool. I want to thank you for watching. It would be great if you join the Wicked family. So consider subscribing, hit the little bell because you get notified when we're uploading new videos. And maybe I will see you in my next video. It will be awesome. I am going to play some more PlayStation 2. Camera, go off. Yes.